Sirens are on, lights are on. We're moving 160 tons. Incredible. You can hear the creaking of the steel structure as it takes up the weight like a weightlifter.
And there isn't just one Elefanti, there are two.
My driver here is watching the other Elefanti driver all the time, making sure that they're working together, like a dancing partner on an industrial scale. This is just brilliant.
Of course, it's not over yet. 10 kilometres down the mud motorway at the bridging point, another mad bit of motorway making kit awaits it. The so-called beam launcher. It grabs my giant U-beam off the transporter as if it's a little toothpick. Then, using a host of motors and cables, trundles it across the gap, drops it into place and bridges the valley, creating a motorway.
Only it isn't a motorway, it's just a dirt road, fit for off-roaders. It only becomes a motorway when I've put my asphalt on the top.
When I made my asphalt back in the asphalt plant, everything was all about heat.
Here comes my asphalt ready for laying. Right out here on the motorway, it's still all about heat.
That's 156 Celsius!
Okay, it's hot enough, which means we can use that. And that is the mothership of this entire operation. The paver is the hub of all of the motorway activity. You've got the lorries loading the asphalt in at the front and at the back. You've got rollers beaving away to make sure it's completely flat before cars can go anywhere near it. Alrighty, we are riding the mothership now on the paver. At the front you've got the lorry unloading its asphalt. It goes into the mouth of the paver, travels underneath where I'm stood and out through these corkscrew delivery systems. It makes sure that the distribution of asphalt is totally even. And then you can feel this whole thing's vibrating ever so fast and it's shocking all of the asphalt down flat.
Master of the mothership is Metin. In fact, he's master of the whole asphalting operation.
How fast does this machine travel?
1 minute, our speed is 4 meters.
4 meters in 1 minute.
4 meters, yeah.
This vibration's making me want to go to the toilet. Tell me, how important is it to get a completely flat road?
Of course, it's very important, otherwise you can feel the old ondulation when you drive on the road.
This is exciting. We're making roads. I'm stepping on now. That is completely virgin tarmac, never trodden on before, still roasting hot. You can really feel the heat coming off this. I think my socks are melting. It's probably 150 degrees centigrade, and then behind it, you've got the guys in the rollers.
It's their job to ensure the asphalt is completely flat.
Okay, we're going forward. This is it. This could go quite badly wrong. I could be responsible for making the worst road in Transylvania. It's actually quite relaxing. It's quite a gentle giant, this, isn't it?
Exactly. But it's not an easy job. Needs some patience.
Patience, yeah. Now, obviously, we're rolling, and every minute the road is cooling.
Right.
Right, so we've got to make sure that it doesn't go too cold, otherwise you can crack the road.
Exactly.
Easy does it. Might hang my arm out the window, pretend I know what I'm doing. Bar a couple of white lines behind me, cars will be driving on this soon. No pressure then.
Finally linking Transylvania to the rest of Europe, we have constructed what horror writers would doubtless describe as the road to hell.
Okay, it's good. This is rock and roll. Rock and roll.
And Johnny returns to reveal why the tyres on the 500-ton Airbus A380 are made by hand. Join the industrial junkie for another fix of mechanical magic, next on Quest.